Welcome back to our series on The Wealthy Mindset. In our last video, we explored the importance of changing your mindset when it comes to money. Here's a quick recap before we move forward. In the last part, we talked about 1. Concept of abundance. 2. Taking action. 3. Power of visualization. 4. Open to new opportunities. 5. Power of self-discipline. I recommend you watch the last part before moving forward. With all that, now let's dive in. 6th, let's talk about the importance of having a growth mindset. A wealthy mindset means having a growth mindset, which is the belief that you can always learn and improve. This means being open to learning new skills and knowledge, and being willing to take on challenges. One way to develop a growth mindset is by setting goals for yourself that challenge you to step out of your comfort zone. Additionally, try to seek out new experiences and opportunities for learning and growth. This can be anything from taking a course or workshop to starting a new hobby or project. 7th, let's talk about the power of positive thinking. A wealthy mindset means having a positive attitude and thinking positively about money and success. This means seeing the potential for success in every situation, and focusing on the positive aspects of your financial situation. One way to develop a positive attitude towards money is by changing your self-talk. Instead of saying negative things about money, try to focus on the positive aspects of your financial situation. Additionally, try to surround yourself with positive, supportive people who will lift you up and help you to achieve your goals. 8th, let's talk about the importance of having a clear vision. A wealthy mindset means having a clear vision of what you want to achieve and where you want to be in the future. This means setting specific, measurable and attainable goals for yourself and having a plan of action to achieve them. One way to develop a clear vision is by setting goals for yourself that align with your values and passions. Additionally, try to make a plan of action that includes small, manageable steps that will help you to achieve your goals. 9th, let's talk about the importance of being resilient. A wealthy mindset means being resilient and being able to bounce back from setbacks and challenges. This means being able to handle stress and uncertainty, and being able to keep moving forward towards your goals. One way to develop resilience is by practicing mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of being present in the moment and focusing on your thoughts and emotions. Additionally, try to surround yourself with supportive people who will lift you up and help you to achieve your goals. 10th, let's talk about the importance of taking responsibility for your life. A wealthy mindset means taking responsibility for your own life and not blaming others for your circumstances. This means being accountable for your actions and being willing to make changes in your life in order to achieve your goals. One way to take responsibility for your life is by setting goals for yourself and taking action to achieve them. Additionally, try to avoid making excuses for yourself and take ownership of your actions. In summary, developing a wealthy mindset is a powerful tool in attracting money and success into your life. By understanding the key principles of the wealthy mindset, you can learn how to develop an abundance mentality, take action, visualize your goals, be open to new opportunities, develop self-discipline, have a growth mindset, think positively, have a clear vision, be resilient, and take responsibility for your life. Remember, the wealthy mindset is not something that you can acquire overnight, it's something that you have to work on continuously. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this one. See you in the next one.